This is part number 2002-10. It's a UPR Pro Series lower control arm for 79 to 04 Mustangs. The most unique feature of this control arm is that it's our race style Pro Series arm, but with a Swaybar mount for a stock style Swaybar. So let's say that you're making a good amount of horsepower on your street car or street strip car. So you need the extra power handling of this tubular Chrome Moly arm that's TIG welded, has the 3/4 inch rod end on the body side and the aluminum bushing on the axle side to get rid of all the bind and slop and unwanted movement in the rear end. So you're like, hey, I've got my race car control arms. I'm really putting the power to the ground. But you don't want to use a solid anti-roll bar, which we don't really recommend for street driving. This arm allows you to just connect the stock style sway bar, which minimizes the body roll but doesn't completely eliminate it like our Pro Series anti-roll bars do. This is a great way to really add traction to your 79 to 04 Mustang by dramatically upgrading the control arms, but still kind of bridge that gap between street car stuff and race car equipment. This arm is available at uprproducts.com or any UPR products dealer.